Are you ready to know how to do affiliate marketing with blogs the right ways? Hi, this is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crush affiliate marketing with a blog. But if this is the first time that you're watching me, I do come out with videos like these on how to do affiliate marketing, digital marketing, coaching and consulting, SEO, and so much more, so you can earn a passive income doing this from the comfort of your home. So I started with a blog in the health and wellness space many years ago. I built an authority website in that space, and I still use it till this day. It's bringing me good income doing it, but that's not for here, for another time. But I've been able to grow that one successfully and be able to understand the flow of how a blog needs to work from A to Z. So you need to know everything in between, right? You hear a lot of A and Z, but you don't see everything in between to be able to accomplish that. And just one thing too, I know if it's a little bright, it's a little later in the evening, you might not be able to see my face as well because of the lighting. But anyways, your blog is your asset, okay? Your blog is your real estate. It's kind of like when you buy a home, you buy another one after that, you're taking care of the houses, the tenants are there. You have to make sure everything is going right, everything is fixed. And so that's what your blog is. And then, you know, your website is going to be kind of like the whole house around it, right? And everything inside the furniture. It's like the blog where you can put all your content on. So you got to treat that well. You got to build the foundation that then is going to grow over time. Okay? So your blog, you really need to nourish it. You really need to treat it like it's a plant that hasn't grown yet. So you really have to put some water in it every single day, put the right amount of water, and the next day you wake up, you go and watch it, it's going to grow a little bit more, and then a little bit more every single day until it gets to a point where it's like you got this money tree growing, okay? So I'm going to get into the share screen here in just a second, and I'm going to show you how to make money in affiliate marketing with your blog. Actually, let's get right to this. So I'm in a keyword research tool called Jaxi. It's one that I've been using for a while. I highly recommend you use this too. It's actually for free. There is no trial. You don't have to put a credit card in. And it's very good. I think you get like 30 searches, but it's very valuable, and it's going to give you accurate data unlike many of the other tools, especially those that are more expensive. Okay, so there'll be a link for that in the description if you want to go ahead and check that out, play around with it. I also have a video on Jaxi that I'll link to so you can see that. But people are searching every single day on places like Google, Bing, Yahoo. They're looking for answers to their problems, right? They all have a pain, they have problems, they have values, they have desires. They're thinking, I need to come to Google, I need to search how to fix my back. It's an industry that I work in, right? And so they'll search something like how to fix my back. And so this keyword research tool is going to allow you to figure out exactly how many people are searching for that, the amount of traffic that it's getting, the amount of competition, and so forth. So how to fix my back, average searches 120 per month, traffic 21, people going to those blogs. The amount of competing websites, which is the QSR here, and that is 86. The higher the number, the more competitive. KQI grades, meaning it's not a bad word to go for. It's still kind of high as a beginner, but you'll learn this over time. This video isn't going to be all about the strategy or the tactic on how to find the right keywords. That's for another time. You can also watch the Jaxi video that I have. You know, how to fix my golf swing. Somebody was looking for how to fix my golf swing. Boom, 48. That's a keyword you can target. That's what people are typing into Google every single day. So what you do is you grab a post like a keyword like this that people are typing in to Google, and you can go and create a blog post around it. Right, so you would write a blog post concerning that keyword after you've done your research. Now, there's a researching stage that comes to it, where you're going to figure out the keyword you want to use. You're going to figure out who's ranking on the first page of Google already, your competition. You're going to get all those domains and all those keywords that they're using. You're going to go plug them into. You can use something like Ubersuggest. Even Jaxi works very well with that, and find out all the keywords that they're ranking for, backlinks, stuff like that, what's already working. So that way you can kind of model, but then beat the competition. Okay. So, but you can go in here and create a blog post. I don't always do them from WordPress. I can do it from Google Docs, or you can do something like Thrive Themes, their architect editor. You can do that too. That's another way about going about it. So then, after you've done all your research, we have that keyword in my H1 title that we're going to go after, and we naturally start creating content around that. So we can have like an introduction here. We're going to have our body paragraph. Body paragraph number 1 is H2. H2, and then we might have some sub-headlines underneath that headline, and then we might have another headline here, which is the conclusion. Right, so the first paragraph can be 5 mistakes golfers need to avoid if they don't want back pain. And then we can start creating more body paragraphs for that. Obviously, that makes sense. That's going to solve that initial problem that they're having, how to fix my golf swing. Now, this particular person here isn't looking for a specific product, right? And you're thinking, well, I want to put an affiliate link into my blog post. So then you have to understand the 3 types of traffic. There's cold, warm, and hot audiences. So cold traffic audiences are the ones like I just did, how to post, why, when. Those are more general type. They're not looking for a specific product. They're just, they're likely people that don't know there's a solution out there. They know they are kind of in pain. They don't know if there's a solution. And then that article can then push them into more of a warmer article, or they can land directly on a warmer article where it's a review of a certain affiliate product you have. If you have a certain review like ClickFunnels review, or it can be a supplement, type of supplement. It can be like Organifi review. Now that's more warm. People know they have a problem, they have a desire, and they usually know the name of the product, so they're going to be searching for that on Google and in other places. Hot traffic, of course, is more offer intent, like buy, Organifi, purchase, Organifi, stuff like that, right? You get the point where it's going from cold, warm, and hot. So you have those kind of searchers online, and you can place yourself in front of them. Now, the ones that you want to put your affiliate links in is normally the warm and the hot audiences. So I'm going to show you here an example of one. And by the way, if you want to learn how to put a blog together, a money-making one, a profitable one, I created the most unique blog challenge. For 30 days. I'm going to be able to take you by the hand, show you how to build a profitable blog. It's called the One Blog Post Away Challenge. It takes you through the mindset all the way up to, I don't even show you how to create the website right away, which is great. It's something that I wish I would have had when I first started. Instead of people trying to hammer me with buy this domain and hosting here, it's going to cost you more for this than the training. No, just show me also the mindset, get me into the spot, and then show me about how to do emails, how to do sales funnels. It's going to go so far before you even start a blog. Like, it's going to show you the emails and all of that, that it's going to be very helpful for you. So I'll leave that down below in the description. Check that out. See if I can get this to work. The site's kind of been going slower lately. Could be a hosting thing, but I'm gonna have to check that out. Okay, so that one's taking a little bit slower, but I want to show you a review type post. So this is kind of for a software called ClickFunnels that I use, but you can go in and write a review and then post an affiliate link in there. So in this one, something's going slower with my connection. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna have to investigate a little bit. But what happens is you write a very in-depth review post around that software or whatever product it is, whatever industry that you're in, and then you can recommend them to go ahead and click on an affiliate link that takes them over where they can make a purchase. So this one is very in-depth. So let me see where I can find one. Hold on, let me see. Okay, this one would be the one because that review, I kind of optimized it for different purposes. So I want to show you this one. This is one I did a long time ago. So this is like a review for a cream called Penetrix. And so what I'm doing here is I'm putting a very helpful, informational, educational content. I'm not just selling to people. It's structured in a way that it needs to be, because that's what's ultimately going to sell. And then putting stories in it. I'll show you the structure on this as well. I show you it inside of the One Blog Post Away Challenge, especially my free blogging resources if you want to check that out with those courses. But this is very in-depth. I did this one years and years ago. So, you know, I'm writing this thoughtful review, and then inside I might have some links so they can click here, watch. Boom, it takes them into Amazon. This specific one takes them into Amazon, and then they can go and make a purchase, and I make an affiliate commission off of that. So how to do affiliate marketing with your blog, go ahead and write a single review. You can do that, but then you can also do multiple reviews. So you can do what are called best of reviews. And let me just kind of search up on Google just to demonstrate on that. Best kitchen knives, right? People are typing in best kitchen knives on Google, and you can rank for that. This person has the 11 best kitchen knives on here. Could take them to Amazon, ShareAsell, whatever other affiliate networks there are, right? And if you want a whole list of them, I'll leave them down below so you can check that out too. I have a lot of information on the different affiliate networks you can check out. Right, so they're writing in thoughtful reviews. Let's go back. "13 best kitchen knives in 2020. Okay, so look, this person's monetizing with value first. They're giving value, right? And their content. Boom, boom, and then you can click on one of these links. Likely takes you over to ShareAsell where their product's at, and then you can make a purchase on that knife set, right? You purchase it, that person will make a commission. So you can do that. Now you can do this with lower ticket products like I'm showing you here. Amazon, ShareAsell is more or less, okay? or you can focus in on the higher ticket stuff too. And if you want to know more about high ticket affiliate marketing, I have videos and I have affiliate products that I can share with you too. Just check down below for those resources. But essentially, you get people into like a $7 product with your blog, then the company that you're being an affiliate for might have more products that are higher priced, and you can make more commissions if they keep buying more. Just make sure it's ethical, make sure it's right for you. I don't promote anything that I don't think is right. So just keep that in mind as well. So like I said in the beginning, people are searching on Google every single day, and you can pop up in front of them on the first page of Google, so you can get a lot of traffic, which means you're going to get a lot of sales likely at the end of the day. Not necessarily does more views translate to that, but that is what's possible. So I showed you with the JAXA keyword research tool, there's a lot of them out there. Go and do the research, which is something that I'll show you also in the one blog post a week challenge and in other ways. And then we go ahead and create a post around all this, put everything we need to, structured right, put our affiliate links in there that we can grab from our merchant, put them in there where they need to go, publish this post, make it searchable on Google. People can come from search engines. We can start sending people from social media sites. And I'm going to show you how to do all this, especially in the one blog post a week challenge, which I go over. So if you want to learn how to fully effectively do affiliate marketing with a blog, I'm your guy. I'll be able to help you out very well. Unlike many videos out there there are people who don't use a blog. They just put out content on how to start a blog just to help them get more views and in other circumstances too. But I genuinely am here to help you. I've created content around this. I've focused on SEO. That's my main job every single day, is to do SEO. Is what I do, help other people with their websites as well on a daily basis. I have a group for all this, and I can help you grow your affiliate marketing blog so you can get a lot more sales with it. So that's only so much I can cover in a video. The process that I've showed you, the strategies, there's more strategy, there's more tactics in all this, and that's everything from me. If you want to learn more about this, check out the one blog post away challenge. Get my free resources underneath. You will not regret that. Okay. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do leave me one. I'd appreciate hearing from you.